Please get for me 7 counters. Okay. Tell me about how you counted those.
I counted them in my head like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Good, thanks. All right, go ahead and hold out your hands for me.
The counter?
You can put this down. Okay, just hold them out like this. Okay, Christopher, there are 3 counters in this hand, and there are 5 counters in this hand. How many counters in all? How many counters do you have all together?
8.
Good. All right, so tell me about how you know that.
I added up in my head 5 plus 3, and then I got 8.
Okay. How were you able to do that so easily?
I was like 5, then I was imagining I was using my fingers to use the rest, like 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. So what strategy would that be?
Using your fingers
Okay.
or your mind.
Okay. Okay, you can go put those down here.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead and hold your hands out again. Oh, actually. Okay. Here are 9 counters, and here are 7 counters. How many counters altogether?
16.
Okay. Tell me about how you got your answer.
I used my fingers.
Okay, can you tell me more about that? Like, tell me about your math thinking while you were figuring that out. You don't know what? You can tell me. It's okay.
I don't know why I was figuring that out.
You're not sure how you're figuring that out? Okay, that's okay. Why? Okay, okay. 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 How many houses in each row?
6.
Okay. How many rows are there?
3.
Okay. How many houses altogether?
18.
Okay. How did you get your answer? Tell me about your thinking as you tried to figure that out.
I did 6. I knew 6 plus 6 was 12, so I put these 2 as 12. Then I counted it on 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Okay. Now let's take a look down here. Okay. You have 16 monarch caterpillars. Okay.
Okay?
Here are 16 caterpillars. 1/4 of the caterpillars goes on each leaf of the swan plant. How many caterpillars are on each leaf?
Can I write with this?
See what you can do. See if you can solve it like that. You can also use the counters if you need to. get your answer? Tell me how you solved that.
I was putting them into groups and counting the 14 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 6.
Okay. Thanks. All right, you want to go and move this to the side? You ready to move on to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just take a look up here. Hi, I'm Amanda Cavan. I'm a first grade teacher at Unity Grove Elementary in Henry County. This is my first year administering the GloSS assessment. In the past and currently, our school uses GRASP. For first grade, we only administer the fluency screener and use the fluency probes. For math, we don't have a standards-based math screener. GLOSS has been very beneficial to us this year in that we've been able to identify much earlier in the year exactly which strategies for problem solving our students are using. When we administer the GRASP assessment, we administer a whole group, we time them for 2 minutes, and then we get the papers back, and we basically have to guess if there's any indication on the student's paper as to how they solved the problem. Otherwise, we really don't know. And so it takes us much longer to identify those strategies through informal observations in class, formative assessments that we may conduct in the classroom, but it takes much longer to do that. With the GLOSS assessment, we're able to identify within 5 to 15 minutes exactly which stage of problem solving our students are. And so it does take about 5 to 15 minutes per student. However, it's 5 to 15 minutes per student well spent beginning of the year, then in the winter, and then in May, we're able to track their progress over time. And the information that we get from this assessment drives our instruction. So I'm able to tailor my guided math groups to meet the needs of individual students, either to challenge them or to take them up to the next level of where they need to go. And so it's very helpful in that respect. And the best part about it too is that it's completely scripted, and so I feel very confident that I'm implementing the administration of this test the way it was intended to. It tells me exactly what to say, exactly what to do, exactly what to provide the students, and so I can feel confident that I'm administering it correctly. And so this is definitely an assessment that I will continue to use in the future because I do think that it is so beneficial for my planning, and then also the information I can even provide parents as to exactly how their students are thinking mathematically and solving problems.